Welcome to Dave's Paint Victory. Today we are working on the Polaris. StarknightMT sent me a bumper, so we're gonna check that out, see how it looks on this thing. I don't do a lot of bolt-on stuff, so I think this is gonna be a ton of fun. Let's get into it. Well, we got stickers. Always love it when we get stickers. Let me get this all pulled out and we'll see what it looks like. All right, looks like basically what we got going on here is this. It's going to mount right like that. That actually looks pretty cool. So we got to take this plug out, and then it bolts there, and then it's got like a tube insert that clamps there. And then there's a crossbar in the middle that you can mount lights. All right, then it's got these Allen head bolts. Go right through here and thread into this guy. So we got to figure out what that size is. That's probably good enough. Now we got to get this thing stabbed onto the front of the rig. Like that. Lines up pretty good. This plate goes underneath the factory bumper. 2 bolts with some washers. You can get the same thing on the other side and get that center bar in before we tighten any of the bolts down. Otherwise, stuff might not line up. But yeah, I just had to squeeze that down with the clamp, hold that plate in the bottom, or hold that plate in the backside up and get that bolt started. But looks kind of cool. Looks the headlight's pretty good. Shake test. Actually looks pretty cool. Like the pictures online, but it looks good. It fits. The headlight's good. It feels pretty solid. I mean, I think if you really wanted it to be solid, you could weld this, and then obviously it's permanent at that. Is it going to be good for someone who's into rock crawling, that kind of stuff?